All right, so what we got here is a hydraulic hammer, and along with it some pipes for an attachment expansion. I'm pretty excited about this. I would have been more excited about opening it today if the two Volvo excavators had arrived, but good old Canadian Customs felt the need to open that up and make sure I wasn't buying no crazy, shiesty stuff from China for some reason. It's funny though, I'm going to shout out DHL on this because this package was shipped 2 days later than my UPS package, and it arrived sooner. That's how badass DHL is, right? Oh, look at that, Jimmy. He still managed to keep the box. So this is surprising. This is oh, Jimmy, you said you were gonna leave the box out. So it's funny that this made it through customs because we usually open this type of shit, and my excavators get stuck. So we got a pipe. We got here some extra padded and foaming. All right. So bottom up, we got the hydraulic expansion pipes. So this is all the pipes, not hoses, freaking attachment that's gonna expand my Volvo, the hydraulic Volvo, the EC160. So as you can see here, nice copper, right? Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. And now you could just bend that right around the frame of your excavator. Not this one, but as you put it down, you bend it, right? This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun upgrade, man. Look at that stuff. I got all the quick attaches, holders, bends. If you guys are looking for any of this stuff, check my web page, my website. All of the links will be in the description, and I'll get these to your doorstep just as quick as DHL got them to mine. So there we go. This is the hydraulic hammer. This thing's gonna be amazing. Like, it's a far-fetched from the Hunya, little popper there. We'll do a comparison video in due time, All right. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that is big, man. That is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be, and it's a good thing I got a heavier excavator because. So what I was gonna do is this Hunya up here. All right. That one right there. Yeah, so I was gonna, the arm is being upgraded, right? This whole arm is gonna get the hydraulic attachment to it, and I was gonna throw this hammer on there, but I don't think that's gonna happen. No, definitely not. So let's check this thing out. So what do we got? We got hoses. Solid hoses too, man. Like if you guys pick one of these up and you feel the weight, I should get a scale. Go grab the scale, and I'll grab it real quick.
Alright.
Yeah. And then you got your freaking fan and a servo. Did you guys see that? And then we got this beast. Holy yeah. Schneider and all that stuff. This thing has got to be like, I'm gonna say 5 pounds. Nope, more than 5 pounds. So we got this. So about 6.5-ish pounds. Check that out. Check the weight on that thing, man. So we got the hoses, servo, and that wicked hammer, man. Look at the pin on that. Yeah. Yeah, this is not gonna ever fit into Hunya. Look at the rod. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Jimmy. And if anybody wants one of these, holler at me. I'll freaking hook you up. It was shipped within, I'd say, 4 or 5 days. And they got that typhoon going on in Shanghai going right now. So, you know, flights were delayed a bit. These are crazy. Yeah, pretty heavy duty, man. Guys, what's this? Yeah, awesome. All right, let me grab a scale and then we'll put the weight on. Okay, guys, let's check out the weight of these things. All right. So we're gonna start with the lightest to the heaviest. All right, first off, let's check out how much this bugger weighs. What do we got there? Let's switch that out. 5.6 ounces. All right. I don't know why it doesn't want to switch to pounds. These cables, I said, were heavy duty, man. Like, let's check them out. What do we got? 2.1 ounce. It's crazy. Alright. Some heavy duty copper pipes. What do you got? We got 1.4 pounds. And this beast. Error. That just says it all right there. Listen, I am gonna have so much fun tomorrow, the next couple of days, playing with this thing, man. You know, I got those excavators coming tomorrow. We're gonna really understand how big these things are, right? Because if this is the attachment for it, then that means the excavator is gonna be a beast of a machine. So tune in for the next segment on this stuff. All right, cheers. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and like. Peace.